Thanks for stopping by to get prices on air duct cleaning. You know, here in the Chicagoland area, it's kind of big business. A lot of people do have their air ducts cleaned. And that's why you're going to find so many companies. But you're also going to find several different ways to clean air ducts and several different prices. The most inexpensive way to have your air ducts cleaned is to have them done flat rate. But what you're going to find is coupons for $5, $6 a vent, $100, $200 to have your air ducts cleaned. It looks real good in the beginning until you start to analyze it. Because what they do is they'll use a big portable vacuum and they'll hook up a hose to your trunk line, they'll go through your house and they'll blow air inside the registers. Maybe they'll stick some kind of whips through the registers. But after they let the vacuum run for about 15-20 minutes, and in our case it takes 2 or 3 hours to clean air ducts. But what the technician is going to do is he's going to come to you and he's going to let you know that he's all done and you can pay him a couple $100, be done with it. But he's also going to be very quick to point out that your air ducts just didn't come clean. And what he really recommends that you do is spend another $300, let him take the registers off, and let him run some brushes or some whips through. Now there's another method. That's where they use the portable or truck vacuum, hook it up to the trunk line. While it runs, they'll take off the registers and they'll blow air in. It's very messy. Maybe they'll run some power brushes too at the same time. But if you're going to spend $300, $400 to have that done, why not for the same price have a good thorough cleaning? Because you see what we do is we come into your house and we take off all your wall and all your floor registers. We'll put down furniture mover pads wherever we work so we don't scratch the hardwood floors. We have 200 foot of hose with a cable in it and a brush on one end. One technician will run the attachment. The other technician will go to each register, open it up, and put this brush in. It'll go through and it'll spin, it'll brush, it'll vacuum. It shakes and it sucks out all the dust and dirt to the truck, and we exhaust outside. After he's done with that register, he'll go to the next register, and after everything is done up on the second floor, we go to the first floor, do each register, and then after that's all done, we go to the basement, do the trunk lines in the basement, we do the furnace, and get it all cleaned out. Now in some cases, we run 2 vacuums. As far as I know, we're the only people in Northern Illinois that run 2 vacuums. Why? We want to give you good, thorough cleaning. Now after we've cleaned the air ducts, we're also going to disinfect and deodorize for you. It's no extra, it's included. And the reason we do it is because if you've ever turned on your furnace or your air conditioner and you smell that wet dog smell, that's because you have some combination of mold, mildew, fungi, yeast, algae, some bacteria inside the air ducts on top of the air conditioner coil that sits above the furnace. And by disinfecting and deodorizing, we'll solve that problem for you. Now you may need to have your air ducts balanced. Once again, that's all included. We have a $350 meter, has a wheel on it, spins around, it measures CFM, also measures temperature. And air ducts have a damper in them, and we can damper and we can balance first floor, second floor, one end of the house to the other, so that you have equal heating and cooling. That's all included. Now we also do the dryer and the dryer vent. I was a volunteer fireman, did a lot of dryer vent fires. Why? It's the #1 cause of fire in houses. So we do that for you as well. Now, cleaning out your air ducts flat rate, to me, sounds like the best way to do it. You know, if you just try to blow air across your carpet with a vacuum hose, you're not going to get a very good job. It's the same thing with your air ducts. So if you're going to spend $200, $300, $400 to have your air ducts cleaned, let us do it for you flat rate. Give us a call. We'll give you a quote. We'll do a good job for you. We've been doing this since 1980. We started out in Northbrook. We're now down in Schaumburg-Hoffman Estates area. We have a couple of offices there. And we'll do a good, thorough cleaning for you. You have my word on it. I'm the owner, Jay Royal. Thanks for stopping by.